These mushrooms create the perfect enchanting glow. Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Glowcap solar mushroom lights. Let's get into it. The Glowcap solar mushroom lights create a whimsical, magical feel to your garden. These lights measure at 10 centimeters tall and 7 centimeters wide. The stake adds an extra 11.5 centimeters in height. Let's open up the box and have a look. So inside the box we have the lights themselves with the integrated solar panel, the panel stake, and the instructions. To set up these lights, all you have to do is attach the stake to the solar panel. Make sure you choose a sunny spot to stake your solar panel. Then you can stake your solar mushrooms into the ground. Make sure you wet the ground before staking your solar panel or your solar mushroom lights. If you try staking them into dry ground, you risk damaging the product. Once everything's in place, you can then turn your lights on. On the back of the solar panel there are two buttons, the power button and the mode button. The power button simply turns the lights on or off, and the mode button has two different lighting modes. Mode 1 is a flashing effect and Mode 2 is a static effect. Push the mode button to alternate between these two modes. These lights emit a warm white glow and are able to withstand the harsh British winters. The dust sensor turns on automatically after sunset. You'll get roughly 6 hours of runtime on a full charge. These lights do only work in the dark, so make sure they get plenty of sunlight in the day, ready to glow throughout the night. If you have any questions on this product, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.